There are times where you want to see information such as averages or counts or totals for your column, especially if you have a lot of data in your spreadsheet. There are a couple of ways to do this. I already have my table formatted, and I have converted the data to a table. In this case, I'm going to highlight the number sold column. And I want to see maybe the average number sold and the total number of items sold for each particular store. So I can highlight the column and it's G7 to G99, or I can go here and type it if I know the cell references, and it will highlight the column there. After you've highlighted it, look at the status bar at the bottom. It gives you the average number sold for each store, that there are 93 stores, and that the total that we sold, the total items, number of items we sold, was around 78,000. Now, when you click outside of that, it goes away. So maybe you want something a little more permanent. And I can click anywhere in my spreadsheet. And again, since I have this in table format, this is where it really matters. I can go to Table Design and Total Row. When you do that, it adds a total row to the bottom. And you can see that it has the total of the prices sold per item. And that might not make a lot of sense. Maybe we can get the average, and that would be the average price that we sold each item. Let's say we want to get the number sold. Let's find the total, and here you can use any of these options. So here I'm going to use sum. I want to find the total number sold, and you can see that's the same number that we saw in the status bar. Here, the inventory cost for each one, it doesn't really make sense to really total all of those, so we can get an average for those. And that's an easy way to go in and calculate some of those basic functions that you have.